Hello all. Now unusually for us, this is take 3. Usually, I'm quite proud of the fact that we usually do it in one take, as you can probably tell from the quality of some of the videos we do. But I wanted to give you a quick update today on these, which we're really excited about. Skies Heavy and Skies Light boxes that have arrived this morning. I've just personally unpacked them and divvied them up between the shop and the website. We had these in, they're from Scheepjes, that we had them in, I think, about 6 months ago, but please don't tell me if I'm wrong, because I could be. And they're the most beautiful, beautiful boxes. Skies is a hand-dyed, look at it, it's dyed with shades of indigo. So they do it in light, which is 4-ply-ish, and they do Skies Heavy, which is an Aran-ish. They're not quite standard tensions, but more or less. And can you see in some of these that because due to the level of indigo they come up in these different colours, and all the shades are named after clouds. Now, they did these boxes last time, and I actually had one of these, but I found one of these boxes, one of the Skies Light boxes on my desk. And it got nabbed for an order. So whoever's got one, you've made something really beautiful with it. But we thought it would be nice to show you what these boxes are like inside. So this is my box that I'm keeping. Nobody's allowed to take this off me. And I'm going to show you how pretty it looks inside. So, come in a lovely little white box. Skies Light, look. I love this little sticker. Every cloud has a silver lining. Look at that. And this is why this is going to have to be my box. There's method in my madness of unboxing these. This has to be my box now because I'm going to take it all out and rip the sticker. So, once we've peeled the sticker off, look at that. 9 hanks of beautiful 4-ply-ish hand-dyed yarn. Isn't that absolutely, and it says on the top, I haven't even reading glass on, natural indigo dye Skies, and this shade, yeah, no, there's no, actually, Cirrocumulus, I think. I'm not very good at naming clouds, but look at those, they are absolutely stunning. So on each hank you are getting, goodness me, 20 grams, I actually can't tell if that says 20 or 28, and I've not got my reading glasses on my head. 95 metres of yarn, so you're getting 9 hanks of 95 metres of yarn. So that is definitely enough. I mean, these would be perfect for Find Your Fade shawls or something like that. And just look, it's worth having just to open it sometimes. I don't have a problem with buying yarn just to bring it out and stroke. So that's the Skies Light, which is probably my favourite because I do like a finer yarn. And then this is Skies Heavy, which will be exactly the same colourway. Oh, a different sticker here. Open to see the perfect storm. Oh, I like that. Yeah, Amy's pulling her face behind the camera. She likes that as well. Amy got a name. You get a name check, don't you? The lady commented on Amy the other day. We'll get her in front of the camera one day, I'm sure. And you got. I have ripped the tissue paper again, but look at that. Our Aran-ish Skies Light. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hanks. And I tell you what, it feels so beautiful. I'm going to have to read, the type's going to be bigger on here, so I'm going to read this on here. Because it is a 100% premium blend cotton. These are exactly the same makeup as the bigger hanks. So you could buy bigger hanks, use the smaller hanks, some colour accents, etc. But I just think these are utterly, utterly good. I've not even told you the price. $17.99. I think these are an absolute bargain. They'd be a fabulous Christmas present if you've got a knitter or a crocheter. Perfect, perfect present.